Hey everyone, welcome to techmylyf. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use filters in Live and Tango. So let's get started. First, open your Tango application. Tap on the video icon with pink background. At the top right corner of your screen, you will be able to find filter icon. Tap on it. You can add makeup, beauty, and mask. Select any one of the options that you prefer and then adjust your filters. And this is how you can add filters in Live and Tango. Thanks for watching techmylyf. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.